Well, hello and welcome RVers. My name's Joel Tucker and I'm here at Veurink's RV Center in Grand Rapids, Michigan, where we've been in business for 64 plus years, bringing you great RVs at great values. Now, we are a top 50 dealer, meaning we deliver great customer service for you, our RVers. And this is the Aspen Trail 3070 RLS. It's a rear living camper coming in at 34 feet and 7,300 pounds. And it's a double slide, a lot of room, a lot of space. So we'll take a quick walk through. We will cover some things, but not everything. So if you have any questions, give me a phone call, 616-965-9623. I can be reached day or night with any questions. Sit back and let's take a look. All right, so there's some great things on the exterior of this Aspen Trail. The first thing I want to point out is that this comes with a 3-year structural warranty right from Dutchmen, so you have that peace of mind. Also, here at Veurink's RV Center, we are able to give you a lot of freebies when you buy from us. You do get 20-pound LP tanks full of propane with the RV cover for the tanks. We do provide you with a 12-volt battery, fully charged, hooked up, ready to go for you. We do provide also a sewer hose, your power cord, all that stuff's going to be free of charge, ready to go right when you pick this thing up. We also give you free orientation. We prep it for you, make sure everything works as it should before you leave onto your next trip. On this Aspen Trail, we give you a solar panel prep. That way you can actually buy a panel to have the battery charged at all times. You get a nice huge patio awning with LED lights and outside speakers. And for all your goodies you're gonna bring along with you, you get a nice deep pass-through storage with an interior light so you can see what you're doing at nighttime. This Aspen Trail also is gonna be a 3-season coach, meaning it has a heated and enclosed underbelly for late camping or early camping. On the back side, you also have it's prepped for a backup camera. As you enter the coach, you have 3 large steps and a large grab handle as well for easy enter and exiting. Right as you enter your coach, we have a couple great things here, your panel to control the slides, your lights, your water tank, and all that good stuff. But let's take a quick look at your living space. This is the key point of any RV, is a nice living space for you and your family to enjoy your time out in the great outdoors. Now, this is an opposing slide trailer, so you got a lot of floor space, a lot of room in here. Again, with it being a rear living, you have your couch against the very back wall with some nice windows with your mini blinds. This is a tri-fold sofa for extra guests. Along your main door slide, you have your entertainment area with your TV, your DVD player, your kitchen space, your refrigerator, oven, cooktop, microwave, a ton of counter space for prepping your meals, an island kitchen, wonderful. I don't have one of these at my house even, so you get one in your camper with a farm-style single bowl sink, which is kind of cool, and a matching sink cover for more space. Storage down below on both sides here for all your goodies to be stored away. On your opposite side slide, we have a nice big slide with these comfortable rocker recliners. I'm sorry, rocker swivels. Very comfortable. And then of course you have your freestanding table and chairs for your meals, to play games, cards with your friends and family. And you also get a nice pantry spot for your goods to store back there. And it is actually nice deep storage as well. From here, we'll move to the bathroom area, so you can take a look at that as well. So follow me. Open your door up here, you have a pass-through bathroom, radius angled shower, plenty of room for you tall folks with your skylight there. A lot of natural light does let that in as well. Got your medicine cabinet, mirror, sink down here with extra storage, and you have your foot flush toilet down here as well. Again, this has 2 doors to enter this area, or you can go right here to your bedroom. And by doing so, you will see we have a full-size queen bed, which means your sheets at home will fit on this bed no problem. Windows on both sides for extra ventilation. You do also have a vent up top above your bed as well. You have his and hers wardrobes with storage shelf, and then also has your hanging bar as well. And in here you have a nice cool feature. It's going to be your laundry chute. You can put down a basket down below there and throw down your dirty laundry. Close it back up and you're good to go. And then finally, on this back wall, we do have a spot if you want to have a TV in the bedroom. You can hook one up right there for you. Very easy access. So again, this Aspen Trail gives you a lot of space. It would work perfect at a campground as for a seasonal lot. It will work for you down in Florida, pretty much wherever you want to travel to for long periods of time or even weekend camping, this will give you all those amenities that you would want at a great value. So give me a call. I'm Joel Tucker, 616-965-9623. Love to help you out, get you any other details you might want on this camper, any specifications I miss, any other features you're looking for. Hit me up, give me a phone call. I'll love to earn your business.